A4 brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie, hello. Hello, good to see you. We're going to draw something I know you like. It's something you've seen in the sky. You like these?
Oh, hello, everyone.
Hello, Betty.
Yeah.
We're going to draw a helicopter.
Yay! Yeah.
Go and find your marker pens.
Okay.
I can feel the anticipation in the air. I wonder what Artie is going to create today.
Okay, do you have your pens?
What?
And have you got your paper?
What?
Well, then we're ready to start.
Whee!
Let's start by drawing the left side of a circle. Just the left side. From the top, draw a curve going down, down to the right. And a little tail at the end. Up it goes. There. From the bottom of the half circle, go up towards the tail. Continue up and stop. Now do a circle at the end of the tail. Just a little one. Now let's do a propeller shape coming from the circle towards that curved line. Another propeller shape at the top. And a final propeller shape on the right side. Now we have the helicopter's tail propellers. Let's do a window at the front. Artie always sings when he's happy. Okay. You do love singing your theme song. Now we're going to draw a little door under the back window. It's looking good already. You know what? Let's draw a face inside that front window. A circle for the left eye. And another circle for the right eye. Let's do some little black dots inside the eyes. How about some eyebrows? 1, 2. He's a happy little helicopter, so let's give him a nice smile. And he can be sticking his tongue out. Finish the mouth by shading in the sides black. He looks very cute.
Oh, that's right.
Dance break.
Wait.
I was going to suggest we have a dance break. Great idea.
Sorry, Betty. My mistake. Artie's gone for his dance break.
Artie's got the beat. This is making me want to dance.
It's a 10 from me, thank you.
That was a fantastic dance break, Artie. You've really got some moves. Should we get back to the drawing? Come on.
Okay.
Let's add a little door handle. Now our little friend inside can get out. Ooh, let's do some legs. And a wheel at the bottom. Because helicopters don't have feet.
No.
Should we do another leg?
What?
Here's the leg. And there's the wheel at the bottom. And do another circle inside that circle. Then we can see that there's a tire. Oh, Artie, let's do the propellers at the top. That's how the helicopter flies. Here's the stem that holds the propellers. And then do a circle at the top. That's the motor that makes them spin around really fast. First propeller. Second propeller. And a third one. Artie, make sure you do a fourth propeller so that the helicopter can fly. And how about some clouds? I love fluffy white clouds. Awesome. Now let's show that the helicopter is flying with some little dashes that show that the propellers are spinning around really fast. That's great. That really shows the movement. You're finished. Fantastic job, Artie. Great drawing. I really like the little face in the window. I think it's time to colour him in. Are you finished?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Last chance.
Well.
I love that you made him yellow.
Well.
Yellow.
Hey.
Great job.
Hey.
See you later, Artie.
Have a great day, Artie.
Have an Artie day, everyone. Time to say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.